My name is George Okanda, Chairman of ODMCI. We are here with the sub-county chairman from the entire county. We are here because we want to support what our party leader, Raila Odinga, and William Samuel Ruto, the President of the Republic of Kenya, have come together to sign a memorandum of understanding to help the Kenya people and move the government forward. The party's main aim is to acquire power, and if you miss it and the party in power invites you to share power and do what you wanted to do for the public through that party, I don't see anything wrong with ODM collaborating with UDA to make life easier and ease the burden on Kenyan people. If the MOU can achieve that, we as ODM have no choice but to support what Baba and the President have done. Thank you. I know our governor had his own feeling about what was going on, but the party leader came to see her and explained to the governor and the entire public what was going on, and from then the governor has been on board and is totally in agreement with what's going on and is supportive of what's going on with the consultative arrangement between Baba and the President.
You are opposing because you are outside, but if you are welcome the inside with your condition, why do you stay outside? ODM Raila branch. On behalf of the people, I want to tell you that we are fully behind the MOU between Raila Odinga and President Ruto. You all know where we are coming from. It all started with Gen Z movement. Gen Z movement was going to plunge this country into chaos because they wanted the government to fall, but they were leaderless. A country falling without a leader, the result is chaos. So Raila did not save Ruto, Raila saved the country, Kenya, and that should be noted. Second, all along Raila has been fighting for the benefit of Kenyan people. You can't benefit the people if you're outside. That is why we have been pushing Raila forward for the position of president. But if you lose that position and somebody who got it come to you and tell you, whatever your dreams are, can you come with him up so that you can also deliver to the people? And we saw 10 points. 10 points were not talking about personal benefit to Raila or personal benefit to Ruto. There are things that the people would benefit out of. If I were Raila, I would have done that one, and I would do it 100 times. So that is one good reason. The only thing I would like to say, I never heard Raila talk about the coming election. I never heard of anything in the MU talking about the next election. It is ODM. The ODM will decide, will direct Raila where to go when next election comes. This MOU is for work during the tenure of Ruto. In the mandate has been given, which is remaining only 2.5 years. And I think we should be cautious. We should control our talks. Let's talk about what can benefit the people during this time, not next election. Next election, Kenyans will decide according to the benefits they have realized. Our people who are in the government, our eyes are on you. Make sure you don't lose sight of what the ODM policies are. The ODM policies are for the benefit of the people.
And the governor assured him 100% that he was supporting what is happening. Koro sama wuoye di giseche mabiro go giseche mosekalo nyime kae. Governor James Orengo is working very closely with the party leader, His Excellency Raila Odinga. Oge pogruok moro amora manie kindgi, And I can assure you, and you will see that, Tumugik, as a Vijogani Tie Murkoni Kocha, ni achievement man, Museveni. Well, Sanido Mekotbiru, what do I puro, Kore Kwako, to Kwanyal Komo, that's very day. Nyakati some 3 months Koreka, Champion Lubet to book. Therefore, Ana Wachane Jo Kenya, Tomolo Joluwa, Gijosia Waka, Nuwa Biuru Jogi, Tuolo, Mondo Gik Manye Giwache agenda Giapargi, Gikete team, Mondo Wane, Nigeti Gimaduo, Mawane no Kanye, and Jopeni Wago Pek Maragima. To Kanye 10-point agenda Gino. Ko lose kaka odegubeni lose to 10-point agenda cha duogo piny teko pek mar ngima nikech odhi duogo kata osuru piny to kod nengo gik moko. Osuru ming'ado ja Kenya ni malo kabisa, to osuru no achiel kuom gik ma kata nyoro Raila owuoye ka en Kiambu. So I want to say the Kenyans must be patient. Let's please be patient and give them time, and time will judge them. Thank you.
When Ruto, President Ruto, decided to actually to go and reach out to Raila so that things would work in the good direction for the benefit of Kenyans. So as we don't see any bad thing or anything done with some ulterior motives, but we are only here to support that handshake because after all, as a Luo where I hail from, we were not given birth with the spirit and blood of opposition. We can't keep on playing the same game, losing that same game, and every year, every 5 election years. So we are saying it from here and very loudly that we buried our young boys and girls because of anti-government protest. And we are saying it is high time other regions also experience the same thing. I was really very happy to see tear gas being injected into some region of Kenya, not from the Luo-Nyanza. It is very sad because following, if you can flash back some remarks made by some leaders from Central Province some other years back, actually 1.5 years, I don't want to mention names. Somebody went, a honorable member of parliament, went to the floor of the house and said they want to increase the budget of what? Of tear gas, because those tear gas are needed more in Kondele and Siaya and Migori and not any other part of the country. So we are telling our people the direction of Raila Odinga and William Ruto is the way to go, and I'm only appealing to our leaders around that let's not take this advantage to divide our people, especially the Luo community and the ODM fraternity. Because I'm seeing some guys are having different cards. Some are having their cards on top of their chest, some are having them on top of the table. Some are quite hidden down. Because here we have the election of 2027. Let's focus on this newly born partnership between Raila and Ruto first. So the personal interest of any aspirant, whoever wants to be the senator for 2027, whoever wants to be the governor 2027, whoever wants to be any other elective post, let us put down those things and focus on the development of our people. Whatever we are saying is what the majority of Kenyans want. We as a community, we want peace, we want development.
Okay. Only have about 15 minutes. I know what's it here.
Okay.